Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to install and use DeepSeek from the Google Play Store. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap the search bar, type DeepSeek, and hit search. Select the app from the results and tap Install. Wait for it to download and install. After installed, please open app. You can sign up with manually or sign up with Google. I am select Sign up with Google. Okay, now you can chat with DeepSeek. For test purpose, I am writing something to chat with DeepSeek. And that's it. You're all set. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tips. See you next time.